Yeah, I'm gonna buy a cross too.
You had Grandma bless you again yesterday, Giovanni?
She didn't bless me with the water.
What did she do?
She blessed me with the heart.
With her heart. Oh.
Same.
Hey beautiful, in today's video I'm going to be getting ready. I am currently still here in Texas. I hope you guys have been enjoying the family vlogs. If you guys have not watched any of them, I will link them all down below in my description box, and I will pin it in the comments down below as well. So it's extremely hot here in Texas, like extremely hot, like really hot. I braided my hair and this is why it looks like this. So I'm so jealous of my sister. She has curly hair like my brother Martin, and it's so curly, so every time I put my hair in braids and stuff and I get a little bit of curliness, I'm like, ooh. So today's video I'm going to be playing around with the Profusion cosmetics. This one right here, this one is Gold Rush. You can find Profusion at Target, you can find them at Walmart. I found this one at Walmart and the colors are just gorgeous. You guys see that? So freaking pretty. So I want to play with this one just to keep it affordable and all of that. Forgot what I was saying. Oh my gosh, you guys. Totally forgot. Brain fart. Let me zoom you guys in. Oh. Right here. So now I already set my eyes with some concealer, and I want to go in with Busy Bee, which is this color right here. And I will be using Makeup Shack T88. Oh, it's picking up really good color. Look at that. And then I'm just going to apply that, oh my gosh, in my crease and just blend it. So since due to COVID, we can't really like do much, like look around like any stores or anything like that, but that's fine, completely fine. But we did go into HEB, and you guys, they have so much. I'm like looking at my forehead on. They have so much in HEB. It's HEB Plus, so much. They had the whole collection of Milani, a bunch of stuff. But I was like, no, because I wanted to, you know, look at everything. I got my grandma the oil that I'm always raving about, the Main Choice oil, because my grandma, she's thinning out on her hair, and she was asking me like what I would recommend, and I was like, oh, you gotta try this oil. This oil that I use is freaking bomb. So I got it for her, and so she said she's gonna use it, but she's gonna use it when we leave because she's been getting ready every single day, and when we're not here, she'll be to get ready and stuff like that, you know. I'm using this as a mirror because I didn't bring my you guys see the candy? I didn't bring my first impressions mirror like I normally do, which I should have, but I didn't. So I'm using what I got. So now I'm gonna go in with Boost, this color right here, and I'm going in with the Makeup Shack T88. Oh, I got two 88s. Hell yeah. And I'm gonna get ready because I want to take lots of pictures. It's so hard though, like getting everyone ready, and then by the time it gets to me, I'm like still need to take a shower and do everything else. I do want to do a question and answer video with my mom. That has been highly requested. You guys have been asking me to do an answering question, and I'm not sure if she is gonna do it or not because my mom is very shy. That's why she isn't like really being recorded a lot. She's pretty shy. But if she's up for it, I'll definitely love to do it.
Hey.
Okay.
Where they at?
Where what at?
You know where they at.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Toys paintings.
You're not keeping any of them. I already got them all. No.
Well, let me see which ones you got.
No.
Let me see which ones
no,
you
they're
got.
all mine.
Which ones you got?
And I already put them in the car.
Well, which ones you got?
Todos, way.
Which ones you got?
All of them.
Oh,
yes. No. Well, then you should have stayed up. I already got mine for real. They're mine. Like we're gonna fight if you want, and I'll call grandma in here right now.
Grandma.
Are you serious?
No, but which ones you took? Did you
all of them.
You took the one that looks like space, huh?
Yeah, I think.
Why? No.
Mom, just give him the painting.
Why? He wasn't up. I think I turned it off.
Don't you? Because you haven't seen her and like.
And me what? I haven't seen her either.
You said you have the whole paintings a lot. You can just give him one.
Okay, fine. Tell him to come here.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with brown sugar, and I'm gonna use a Wet n Wild blending brush.
What's an astronaut?
I'm gonna place that here, and I'm going to blend because he was sleeping when I picked Victoria's paintings. but that was his fault.
Oh my god. You rang.
Yeah, which ones are you talking about?
You know the ones you have.
The one I want was the one that doesn't have a face. It's not that grandma offered. I was like, I'm taking it, and grandma was like, yeah, here. And then I was like, Victoria, I'm taking your painting, and she was like, I don't care. And I was like, okay.
Nah.
Are you really showing your guns?
Let me know in the comments. Just kidding.
Pendejo.
Go.
And it's fun, pendejo.
Go.
And then I'm just gonna blend that up here. Ma! I'm using the Anastasia mirror, and I like how it just straight, like you can literally fold it like that. I will be using a Makeup Shack T37, and I will be cutting my crease just to add that yellow that I want in there.
What?
Que bonito! Jaden. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with Winter Chicken Dinner.
Have you showered, mama?
You doing makeup, Mom?
Yeah, baby. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. Look.
Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna go in with brown sugar, you guys.
You like grab the pillow hold and smack me on that face.
Tell Nova to come here. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Goddess. It's really, really nice. And then I'm going to just go in with the Makeup Shack flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to add a little bit on
Put these
top.
on.
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna set my eyebrows real quick. I'm gonna go in with some of my glue. Put it in here. Set it right here. I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Shack lashes. These ones are in Taboo. So now moving on to my face, I will be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm just going to apply this all over my skin. My nose, inside my nose has been peeling, you guys, like crazy. This nose right here is peeling so weird. Like it's, I don't know, it's creeping me out. It's a lot of skin that has been shedding. Even though the sun is freaking hot and it's hot out here in Texas, still moisturize your face, you guys. Still use your skincare. Don't think, oh, just because I have oily skin, I don't get it. No, always use moisturizer. So 2 new things I want to play with are the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush, and I'm excited because I have not used these yet. So I'm going to apply my foundation real quick. This used Too Faced because I used Delta Colors in the last one. So it's the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Beige. And this is a matte foundation. So this is oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil control, and photo-friendly. I'm just going to apply it.
Say you bought them and find it at that. And find say, can I have a soda, Mom?
I needed to file.
Okay, you can have one too.
No.
And I'm just using a Tarte blending sponge to blend this all in. And this is really, really good coverage too, because it just blends everything in. And I'm gonna bring it down. I'm not gonna bring it all the way down because I do want to. You want to say hi, Ray? Say hi.
Are you on the phone?
No, I'm recording so I can post it on YouTube. Now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Cream.
Sorry for all that.
It's okay. Going in with the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer, and this one is in Teddy. I love it, you guys. It's been working really, really good, so I'm really, really glad that I picked up this shade. I'm just going to contour. How do you guys prefer a background? For it to be like my background like this when I go back home, or do you guys like my background with the stuff in the back? Let me know so that I can, how you guys want it. Put this here, and I really like how everything just blends. Like even right now I go like this, it's just blending like a dream. We're gonna go over to my cousin Mari's house. I told her, I was like, I need an extra hour because I haven't got ready yet. Everyone else is getting ready, not me. And then I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Concealer, and I'm using the shade Medium 90W. So yesterday I went to the San Juan church with my grandma. It was absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. It was really nice. And you could tell she like really, really enjoyed company, so I was really happy that I could do that and go with her. I need to take my brothers though so they can go with her. I'm just gonna blend everything. And this is the Makeup Shack T29. The T29 I like using pretty much for everything because it's really that good.
Yeah, I got good hats for my outfits and his.
Alright, so now I'm going to try out finally the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle. These are so freaking cute and little. Like literally so little. Look at, that's so tiny. Oh, I already nicked it, son of a gun. So here's this one, really cute, which is Fuego Flush. And then we have this one, which is Daiquiri Dip. And it's this beautiful one right here. No manches, I keep ruining everything. Here's this one. So I do want to go in with the peach one just to see. My finger, I'm going to warm it up and then I'm going to apply. Ooh, that's pretty, look at that. I'm going to dip a little bit with my sponge. Ooh, it matches perfectly with my blush. I mean with my makeup. That's pretty, you can see it. That's cute. Okay, now let's see how it looks on this one. Wait, that is like really pigmented. That one's really but very pretty. Me personally, since I go more for like the peach ones, I really like how this peachy orange looks. It looks really pretty. So I'm gonna go on with it a little bit more. I'm gonna have two different cheeks. That's okay. And if anyone says anything, it's gonna be a conversation starter. I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented, especially because the orange one wasn't as like really boom, but the other one was. And I love how they're so little, they just go right on top. Now I'm just going to set my face, all that you guys already know. I swear by the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It's amazing, it's the best. Just set on my whole face, making sure that nothing goes anywhere. The Too Faced Peach powder and the Urban Decay setting spray have been amazing with this heat. Now for bronzer, I will be going with my Fenty Beauty Private Island using a Makeup Shack angled brush.
Yeah, do you have some face wash? Is it good face wash?
It's the best. Like it really is. Like you feel it scrubbing your face and it's really good. And
You
it
got a
doesn't make your
face toner?
face oily.
A toner and a moisturizer.
I got the mic. Do you? Fuck you, babe. God. Now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay. This is the all nighter setting spray. All last.
You gotta think.
Long lasting makeup setting spray.
Nah, not that.
Hey, lipstick good, my friend. Let me clip it for you. And then I'm gonna set my face. I'm going in really generous with this because it really helps, especially with this, with all the heat. So make sure you got a good setting spray that's gonna help. And then this really does help, where I have to use like a good face wash. I didn't bring my fan. I tried to pack light, but I still packed a lot. Going in with my ColourPop BFF lip liner, and this one is in BFF 3, and I'm just going to apply it. Zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna go back in with the Gold Rush Profusion palette, and I'm gonna go in with Buttercup. Let's go in with Buttercup. No, I'm okay, Mom.
How much of that stuff are you supposed to use? Like this?
Oh my gosh, babe. That was a lot. I really like
a lot of
I really
pumps. Like,
I
I
really
feel like it squirts a little bit. Like how many pumps would you say?
Only 2.
No way. I put like 10 pumps.
Oh my gosh, you just wasted it.
Ow, it's feeling good, clean. And what else should I do afterwards?
Put on a moisturizer and
Okay, where's that at?
I'm gonna give it to you. No, you're not getting nothing. I'm gonna go in with shaker right here. I'm just gonna apply it right here. Ooh. This is really pigmented, you guys. This palette. Oh my god. It's really, really good. Like, it might have some fallout, but it's like not even a big deal. Fallout is really not a big deal. People like when you talk about it so that they know like what they're expecting. But if it applies bomb, it shouldn't even matter, in my opinion. It applies way good though. Look at that. Hell yeah.
Then why you ask me just yet?
Sure. Okay, so I haven't tried these, you guys. These are the KKW. I ordered them like a long time ago, but I never ever used them. It's the KK and Mario. So this is the lip glosses and this is the lipsticks.
Douche, 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 douche.
Oh my god, pendejo, you on my lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the BFF3. So the lip applied beautifully, but it kind of reminds me of like an elf lipstick. It's really pretty, but this is one of the lipsticks. This one is called Juicy. Ooh, look at that, you guys. That is really pretty. So this one is Juicy, which is so pretty. And then this one is Super Nude. Can you guys focus? Nude. Very pretty, but I'm... okay, let's go with the nude. My bad. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, take my words back. Alrighty, loves. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed all the products I was playing with. The lipsticks were really, really pretty. Todo, like everything was just pretty. I think everything was just really, really nice. The Profusion palette, beautiful, 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 beautiful. The cream blushes really surprised me. This one I feel like is gonna be like my go-to, just because it wasn't too like boom right off the bat, but it was really, really nice and it did build up. The Strawberry Daiquiri was super pigmented, so I can't wait to play with that one when I want to go with a really pretty like just boom look. Gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be even beautiful just like on the lips. Love it. And then the KKW really surprised me as well. The cream lipstick, I feel like it kind of reminded me like of an elf lipstick, and especially because like how it smelled. But the lip gloss, I really, really liked the lip gloss. And the nude one surprised me, the Super Nude, because I didn't think it was going to be that beautiful. But yeah, overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And make sure you guys leave your questions down below. Maybe I can ask my mom, like, you know, a little bit here and there, like, hey mom, you know. But I'll definitely be vlogging for you guys. You know, I will be vlogging more so you guys can see. Again, check out my vlogs. I will link them down below and in the pinned comment as well, so you guys can check them out. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.